Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's clip, we are going to see how to create animated material in Unity. Means we are going to create a cube which changes its color based on the time ratios. When you observe in the some games, it has time limit where some game objects changes its color time to time. So in this way, we will create a cube changing its color based on time ratios. For that, you need to go to Game Objects, create a cube of 3D. You can see I have created an object of 3D cube. In this 3D cube, you don't need to be make any changes. You can see the material is a default material, so you need to add a material to it. For that, you need to go to Add Projects. In that, you need to add material, and to this material, you need to make this emission is on. And this HDR color should be something else, but not make it as black. Just keep it as some red. After selecting red, you need to assign this new material to the cube. As you can see, the color has been changed, so that the color has been changed. Now go to cube. You can see the new material has been assigned, where in previous we can see that there will be a default material. Now we assigned a new material to it. So after that, you need to create an animation clip. Go to animation and click on animation clip. You can see a new animation clip has been created. Open this clip, you will see a dialog box opening as a recording type. When you see this dialog box, go to the main screen, go to cube. When we click on cube, we will get in dialog box to create the animating for cube. So just click on create. It asks you to save the file of new animation. You can save the file. After saving, it asks you to add some property to it. Where we need to add a property which is in mesh render. Just expand it. After expanding, you can see material dot emission color. This is the material we need to import it. This property help us to change the color of the cube. And the main thing comes here that there will be a time loops in the above, and these are the keys. We need to add some keys of a recording, so that you can see every time ratio has a 5 seconds of gap between them. If you want to move this white pointer to here and there, you need to press on the above time ratios only. If you press on the below, it will not move, because in the below session it is given for the keys only, where in 5 seconds I will add a key. After clicking on add key, you need to go to the recording button and press on it, so that you can see it will be recording. Go to cube. In below, click on the new material. You can see the emission color. Change the emission color to something you want. Like this, I will change it to some dark color of green. Now you can see the color of the cube also changed. In this way it changed. After doing this, you need to stop the recording button. Means it record a certain time of it into the key which we have created. After that, I will create another key at 10 seconds ratio. You can see just you need to change the emission HDR color, so that it will be changed. I will keep it as pink. You see, I haven't clicked on red button, means it will be not recorded. So you need to click on this red button, recording button, then you need to choose your color. After choosing your color, you need to click on the square box also. It is mandatory. Otherwise, it will not be selected. After doing this, you need to stop this red button. Same, I will create another key at a distance of 25 seconds. You can create your wish anywhere keys. Just click on recording button. After that, change the color. I'll change to navy blue so that it will be dark with. You can choose your color. After doing this, you need to stop it and come to the zeroth ratio and just start play this. You can see the color of the cube is changing. In this way, it changes its color. It is nothing but a creation of animated material in Unity. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in next session.